Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use JSON data in JavaScript. JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format. It's incredibly easy for both humans to read and machines to parse. JavaScript provides two primary built-in methods, JSON, parse, and JSON, stringify, to seamlessly work with this data format, making it a fundamental tool for web development and API communication. When you receive JSON data, typically from a web server or an API, it often arrives as a string. To make this data usable within your JavaScript application, you must convert it into a native JavaScript object. The JSON, parse, method is your go-to for this. It takes one argument, the JSON string, and returns the corresponding JavaScript object, ready for you to access its properties. Conversely, when you need to send JavaScript data, like user input or configuration settings, back to a server or store it, you'll need to convert your JavaScript object into a JSON string. This is where JSON, stringify, comes in handy. It takes a JavaScript value, such as an object or array, and transforms it into a JSON formatted string. You can also specify optional arguments for formatting. Once you've successfully parsed your JSON string into a JavaScript object, you can interact with it just like any other JavaScript object. You can access its properties using either dot notation or bracket notation, and iterate through arrays using standard loops. Remember to wrap your JSON, parse, calls in a try-catch block to gracefully handle any malformed JSON data, ensuring your application remains robust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.